Hey there! Today we're spending the day in Walthamstow, exploring one of East London's most creative neighbourhoods. We start the day by arriving in Wood Street, which is a great place to ease into the area. Our first stop is coffee at Dudley's, a well-loved local spot and an easy choice before a day of walking. A quick coffee stop here sets up nicely for exploring. After that, we walk along Wood Street itself. As you make your way down the road, you'll spot plenty of murals and street art along the way, adding colors and characters to the area. It's worth keeping your camera out, there's a lot to catch just by walking. Just nearby, we stopped at the Wood Street Indoor Market, a hidden indoor market filled with vintage finds, collectibles, and small independent businesses. It's the kind of place you can easily lose track of time browsing, especially if you enjoy secondhand and one-of-a-kind pieces. From Wood Street, we then made our way further into Walthamstow. After a bit of walking, we arrive at a cluster of some of the area's best known creative spots. First up is God's Own Junkyard, a neon-filled space with vintage signs, bold artwork, and glowing installations. It's an iconic Walthamstow stop and perfect for filming. We were hoping to get something more substantial to hit there, but they were only offering baked goods, so we decided to keep moving. Right next door, you'll find Lloyd Park Brewery and Mother Rune's Gin Palace. These two are practically side by side and are known for their craft drinks and strong local following. For us, though, it was too early for drinks, but they are good spots to note for later. From there, we ended into Walthamstow Village, which is a noticeable change of pace. The area is known for its historic street, independent shops, and a calmer atmosphere, making it a really nice place to wander. While walking through the village, we stopped by Here on Hearth, which has a great selection of ceramics and prints. A good place for gift shopping if you're after something thoughtful and well designed. We then popped into Crate Walthamstow. We're actually trying to find crates and gems, but ended up here instead. It's a small food court with some good options, but all the tables were reserved, so we didn't stay long. Next, we headed over to Lloyd Park, where there happened to be a farmer's market on. A great place to slow things down, grab something small, and take a break after all the walking. Right by the park is the William Morris Gallery, and this is definitely one of the highlights of the day. The gallery is housed in Morris' childhood home and is completely free to visit. Inside, it tells the story of William Morris, which is a designer, writer, and also social activist. You'll see original textile, wallpapers, furniture, and book design, as well as explanation of how his work shaped interior design as we know it today. Even if you're not really into museum, this one is very accessible and easy to move through with lots of visual interest. The rooms themselves are beautifully laid out, and it's hard not to get distracted by the patterns and color combination. Then there's the gift shop. I absolutely love the prints, so was very tempted to buy everything. But if you're looking for high quality souvenirs or gifts, it's one of the best museum shops in London. I ended up picking a baggage tag and a title, which I'll show you probably later. We finished the day by spending some time relaxing in the park and going through what I bought. So I picked up a baggage tag and a tea towel. After that, it was time to make our way to Walthamstow tube station and head home after a full day of exploring. If you're planning a London day out and want a mix of independent shops, creating spaces, market, and generally interesting museum, Walthamstow is well worth adding to your list.